Beneath the coastal waters of southern Australia, hidden among drifting seaweed, lives a creature that barely looks real. This is the Leafy Seadragon, a rare relative of the seahorse, covered in delicate leaf-like appendages. Every extension along its body mimics drifting plants with astonishing precision, making the animal nearly invisible to predators.
Unlike fast ocean hunters, the leafy sea dragon drifts silently with the current, blending perfectly into the underwater forest.
And like seahorses, the male carries and protects the eggs, guarding the next generation in the safety of camouflage. In the ocean, survival sometimes means becoming part of the environment itself.